Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to build a simple content calendar using Asana's free plan. First, create a new project. Name it Content Calendar 2025, choose the blank project template. Now, set up your structure. In your project, click Add Section. Create sections for platforms like Instagram and YouTube. Press Enter after each. Next, add content as tasks. In the Instagram section, click the plus sign. Name a task with your post idea, like behind the scenes reel. Press Enter and add more tasks. To schedule posts, set a due date. Click on a task. Find due date, click the calendar, and choose the publish date. This puts the task on your calendar view. Switch to calendar view. At the project top, click the calendar button. See all tasks on a calendar by their due dates. Drag and drop tasks to reschedule. Finally, use custom fields for status. In calendar view, click Customize top right. Select a column. Choose a field like status. Create options like idea, ready to post. Assign a status to each task. And that's it. You've built a calendar with platform sections, scheduled posts, and tracked progress. If this organized your content, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.